This is an omelet cooker. I use it for making biscuits. I pack this in my kitchen pack when I'm going camping for the weekend. I gotta have my hot biscuits in the morning. This here, it's a clip. Pops off. Open her up. Put your 5 grams in there. Clip her back. Throw her on the grill. Flip her about every 3 minutes with your pot lifter. You can get this pot lifter online on Amazon. They still make them just like it. These are for pulling coals out of the fire and putting underneath my grill when I'm cooking, so I don't have to waste my gasoline. You know what I mean? Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this little ditty. Great biscuit cooker. Might have to modify it, but it's sweet, man. Nothing like hot biscuits in the morning. Omelet cooker's the same, baby. Works great. Thank y'all for watching. Otaka from the woods.